Rocked up in Koh Rong Samloem, first time in a long time being on the beach with the beach life. Haven't done a vlog in so long as well. It's just going to be multiple clips of the last few places. Might make this little standalone video. This is what we're working with here. Nice. See the sun's going down, so it's a bit bright. So this is the room. Thanks for running that in the camera. Actually, you see no AC, just that fan and nice mosquito net, because we're actually open to the elements. That's actually open to the outside world. But look at all those fucking lumpy bumpies on our ew. We're so in love. So, day 2, Koh Rong Samloem. Lovely island, really slow energy here. Just plenty of reading today. I went for a walk along the beach. It was really nice. Like, the water is really, really blue. Lovely. We're going to try and go snorkeling as well at some stage. Just to get a view of the coral. That's meant to be really, really nice out there. Food here is nice too. Some really nice chicken sandwiches for lunch.
And pancakes.
Oh, and pancakes. Yeah, Kate had pancakes, so she loved them too.
She gave so much Nutella.
Nutella, banana pancakes, they were pretty good. Nice thick pancakes too, really nice. Ling Ling gave us them. Girl, about 10 gave us
At most.
At most, about 10 gave us them. Yeah, that's it. Okay, last day in Koh Rong Samloem. Just last little walk along the beach for our last morning. Water's so clear over here. I have some videos of it yesterday that I'll probably just throw in now to show you, or else they would have been in already. But like, this place is amazing. It's really quiet, really slow. Nice to stop and slow down for a bit of time. Anything to say, Kayla?
Before the hecticness of Vietnam, it's nice to do this now and completely chill.
Yeah, so we must book our boat over to Koh Rong main island, and we're there for a week then, so we still have a lot of time here. We have our snorkeling done a bit yesterday, but we might do a little trip or something in Koh Rong main island, we'll see. Stay tuned. Just touched down in Koh Rong main island after Koh Rong Samloem. I show a quick pic of the area there, look. Oh shit, there's more people up there than I actually know who is on. The view is actually much nicer than the other place. Room is a bit nicer, so we're here for a week. We got a fan there that's pretty cool. So Kayla took me on this walk that she says was a nice easy path across the island, and we're basically jungle trekking. Like, where to go next, I don't know, but like, this is an ordeal. This was supposed to be a shortcut, but it's turning out a lot more deadly and stuff than anticipated. Like, this is it, and this is our only indication that we're going the right way, is flip-flops just stuck up on the wall like this, on trees. but they're very sparse, so we're just kind of guessing. Like this path has kind of obviously been trekked upon, so we're just using this to follow across. This beach better be lovely because it's been a bit of a trek to get across.
We're not even like a quarter of the way there.
Not even a quarter of the way there, yeah. Made it basically over. You can kind of see the edge of the trees there. Found this stone, which we think it's gone the wrong way unless we have to go down this like
Vertical
abseiling, yeah. So we're gonna go back and see if it's there's a better way. So tried the other way. Nothing there. Looks like we could go abseiling down the rocks. If there's no more vlogs after this, just find us at the end of the rock, please. Kayla making our way down. Don't fall, you're on camera. It's basically vertical, like down there. Is the end. Oh, Kayla's gone, look, just on video. We're struggling a bit, but we'll make it. We made it somehow. You can just see the edge of the beach there. This is the final path. Ooh, nearly gone. It's just a riverbed that's like dried up. We just made it.
Full of ants.
Full of ants. Covered in bites and scratches, but we made it. Alive.
Almost. We're not at the road.
We survived. Look at the blueness of that water. Kayla made it too. We survived. So we begin our trek back. We just found a really nice supermarket that's part of like a resort. You can only imagine like coffee was like 2.5 times more expensive than what it is back in Koh Rong. But we're not going back the same way that we came because of obvious reasons. So like here's the end of the beach now, but we're gonna walk all the way around the tip. So we took a guess that it might take us like 2 hours, hopefully. We might stop at a few beaches to cool off along the way, so it could be 2.5, 3 hours by the time we're back, but we'll see. Yeah, back for dinner maybe if we're lucky, but we brought some snacks, so we're not too bad, but we'll see. So we had a 2-hour walk and we just got picked up on one of these things. So it's been an interesting little adventure. So day 4?
Yep.
Day 4 in Koh Rong. Like another beach for today after it was 2 days since that big hike. So we kind of took it easy yesterday. Just laid on this beach for the day. What's the name of this beach?
Long Beach.
Long Beach, yeah, good name for it. No, yeah, it
White
is.
Pearl Beach.
Or White Pearl Beach, yeah. But yeah, it's a nice beach, really blue water again. Like lovely. Booked a tour there for tomorrow, but it's like a boat tour. So weather is getting a bit stormy and it's a bit choppy, so it could be cancelled. But it was only €15, so hopefully it goes ahead. Bit of boating, bit of snorkeling, bit of fishing, and a barbecue, and then we get to go swimming with some bioluminescent plankton if it ever comes about to be tomorrow. If not, we're just going to go to the gym, so it'll be another empty day for the vlogs if we don't do it. So just waiting to go on a boat trip where we're going to do some snorkeling, some fishing, some plankton, and a lot of other stuff. It'll be an interesting old trip. Get us off getting another fruit shake if we get one a day. So. Stop for a snorkel.
Yeah.
Go on, toss it in. Kayla's first ever time fishing.
If I catch it.
Como siempre, con paraguas por si llueve, me ocupa sacar el cable del fuego. Ficha, so vete para la pinga, you son of a bitch.
I'm sure how we ended up here. We're hammer.
And this how we gonna do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I know you want me. You know I want you. I know you want me. I know I want you.